Welcome to Crypto Ticker Clock. Crypto Ticker Clock is your all-in-one solution for staying on top of the latest cryptocurrency prices and weather conditions in your area. With our platform, you can easily track real-time updates on all major digital currencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. But that's not all. Crypto Ticker Clock also gives you access to up-to-date weather information for the next 3 days in your location, so you can plan your day with confidence. With our customizable alerts, you can receive notifications for price fluctuations and weather changes that matter most to you. For the customizations, you can visit the website, provide MAC address and customize the alerts as you want. Our easy-to-use interface makes it simple to navigate and customize your preferences, giving you the flexibility to tailor your experience to your needs. And with our reliable and accurate data, you can trust that you're making informed decisions about your investments and daily activities. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Crypto Ticker Clock today and take control of your crypto investments and daily plans with ease.